Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside an Office app because themes apply across the suite. Click File, then Account. On older builds, go to Options, right arrow General. Once signed in and updated, you'll see theme controls under Office Theme or Office Background. You do this now because a signed, updated install exposes the newest theme options and prevents sync mismatches. Make sure to stay in the same app while changing the setting so the change propagates immediately to other apps. You'll now change the theme itself. Open the Office Theme drop-down and pick Colorful, Dark Gray, Black, or White. Select one and you'll see the UI update in real time. Once done, Office remembers the choice for all apps under the same account. If you want system-level consistency, toggle the option to use the Windows or Mac OS theme so Office follows OS dark/light mode. This avoids visual clashes and improves readability across monitors. Finish by checking Word, Excel, and PowerPoint to confirm the theme applied everywhere. If an app still shows the old theme, sign out of your Microsoft account and sign back in to force sync. If that fails, run Quick Repair from Programs and Features or reset Office settings. This fixes corrupted preferences. One key tip: clear cached theme files by restarting the machine after repair. This often resolves stubborn display inconsistencies and ensures your chosen theme persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.